Today we're going to start transitioning our look from exponents into talking about scientific notation. So today we're going to be looking at magnitude. And your objective today will demonstrate my mathematical ability to know that positive powers of 10 are very large numbers and negative powers of 10 are very small numbers. And we'll be doing this through a class discussion today. Your toolbox. The only word that you're really going to need in your toolbox today is the word magnitude. And really, all you need to know about magnitude is it tells how big or how small something is. Okay? You don't have to write these two facts down word for word, but, kind of write in your own definition, your own words, what do these two facts mean? Basically, if I have a number to the power of 10, and it's a positive exponent, that's going to make my number very large. Okay. Fact number 2, if my exponent is negative, I'm talking about a very small number. So that's really all that we're going to be talking about. If I have a positive exponent, which is in the power of 10, it's going to be very large. If I have a negative exponent in the power of 10, it's going to be very small. Let's go ahead and see how this kind of works for today. Alright, so it says let m be this big number. Okay. Find the smallest power of 10 that will be larger than this number. Well, I know that this number, this is my ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So this is trillions. So I need to find a power of 10 that is larger than this. Well, if I write it out, I could write 1 and put all these zeros here. Okay, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of zeros. I need one more. Alright, now this number is larger than this, but I need to write this in the power of 10. So I'm going to have 10 as my base. Okay, and I'm going to come back and look. Here's my decimal. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I move my decimal back 15 places so that I have a number in the power of 10. So my number here, a power of 10 that will exceed this number, will be 10 to the 15th. Okay, and this is one of the simpler lessons. This is all that we're talking about, really. Alright? Let's see the next problem. Let's do the same thing with this one. I want to write this as a power of 10. Okay? So I have my 3. Right? My 3 is going to sit in the 10,000 spot. So I have 3 over 10,000. Okay? Well, I know that 10,000 is 10 to the 4th. It says it's sitting down here from our lesson from a couple days ago when we were talking about negative exponents. It's going to be 10 to the negative 4th. Okay? Because those are, because those are the same. Okay? Actually, this is just 10 to the 4th down here. Alright? Now, to bring this back up, remember if it comes back up, it becomes negative. So I have 3 times 10 to the negative 4th. Remember at the second screen of the lesson today, I said that if it has a negative exponent, it's going to be a very small number. This is a small number. The other way I could have done this as well is I could have taken my decimal and I could have gone 1, 2, 3, 4 to where I have just one number in front of the decimal. Okay, and I make that my exponent. So if I want to write this in the power of 10, I'd go 3 times 10 to the negative 4th. Why? Because when I put 3 as a fraction, if I write this as a fraction, it's 3 over 10,000, which is the same as 3 divided by 10 to the 4th. When I bring my 10 to the 4th back up, it becomes a negative. And the opposite of dividing is multiplying. So I'm just changing everything here. And I end up with 3 times 10 to the negative 4th. There are about 100 million cell phones in the United States. Your teacher has one smartphone. What share of smartphones does your teacher have? Express your answer using a negative power of 10. Well, I know it says that your teacher, right, myself, I have one smartphone, right? However, there are a total of 100 million cell phones in the United States. Okay. Well, first of all, I need to find out what power of 10 100 million is. If I go to figure out where my decimal's at, it's always at the end. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could rewrite this as 1 divided by 10 to the 8th, right? However, it says it wants it using a negative power of 10, so I have to bring this on up. Okay, when I bring it on up, it becomes a negative, so my answer is 10 to the negative 8th. So what share of cell phones do I have? I have 10 to the negative 8th, which would be 1 out of 100 million. Right? This is all your lesson is. It's this simple. It truly, truly is for today. It'll be nice and easy to get this done. Okay, so let's look at this number real quick. No matter what number is given, we can find the smallest power of 10 that exceeds that number. And we've done that, right? Okay, also remember that very large numbers have a positive power of 10. Okay? We use the negative powers of 10 to represent very small numbers that are less than 1, however, they are greater than 0. Right? Make sure we have everything written down, and I'll see you in class.